Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to you as well. Today we are working on getting some of these rooms touched up and refinished. This is kind of how it looks when I start the room. I've already looked at some of the imperfections in the walls and we're getting those things fixed up. How it should look in the end is kind of like this one here. It's just about finished. I've got 2 spots left that I need to touch up. We need to throw some trim down and 1 more coat of paint in the closet. I'm thinking for now, at least today, we should work on getting that room finished up so the homeowner can start throwing their things back in there. This house has been under construction for some time now, and I just got here hoping that I can aid in eliminating some of the leftover tasks and give this guy his house back. I mean, that's the most important thing, right? So this maybe we'll get into today, but the main focus is gonna be that other room getting finished up so he can start moving his things back in there. And this one is gonna be another couple days, but it's all good, baby. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Good morning to you. I'm excited. It's Thursday, not the beginning of the week, but also not quite the end. So let's make something happen. While I was waiting for that paint to dry, we got a couple other things underway. Let me get you off of here. Not too bad, not too bad. I don't know if you can see all the nails that are in it, but it ain't going nowhere. This baseboard trim, this is the pain right here. I got it made up to this point, which somebody else already put this piece on here. Instead of just removing it from the wall and doing a miter cut, I was attempting to make this work by cutting a short piece, drawing it out, and cutting it. It is not ideal using those files and the utility blade. We're gonna use the right tools for the job, so I'm gonna go get my coping saw, and instead of painting the closet and putting some caulk and nails for the trim, I think I'm gonna be not as productive and just skeet out of here for a minute. I mean, I could use a snack anyways. We need to pick me up with some caffeine and let's get in a good mind state again. We're not bad. We're not bad. Nothing's bad. It's just, you know, wasted time or labor that's not really necessary. But check this out. I wasn't sure if I was gonna put up the trim or not because I didn't have a nail gun here. I just got some of these DeWalt XR batteries. Homie had this nail gun, 16 gauge finish nailer. Dude, this thing is so pimp. I want to get one, but the price is like
Thank you for choosing My McDonald's. Would you be using your mobile app today?
not today, no. Not a huge fan of the fries, but I'm looking forward to this Big Mac. I've been losing weight quite a bit over the last couple months. I mean, it's a lot given that I haven't been trying to. But I think it's time for a winter bulk. Don't take it too seriously because I haven't been to the gym in I don't know how long. But what if we start a winter bulk? I think I'm gonna start exercising again. We can start sharing the updates through the channel too. I think that's the move. You guys really don't want to watch me eat this, do you? I'll eat one more fry for you. But then you gotta mind your business for a minute. Those will work. All right, I'm only getting one thing, but I can do a quick look at some of the other things I've been looking at online. Okay, that's it, I swear. I'm not even in the right area. I need a coping saw. Where is the cope? Can't ever just be one thing, can it? It can't. The one rule can't be just one thing. You know what? The new rule should be, don't ever let it be just one thing. Just for the sake of Harbor Freight, you can't let it be just one thing. No, really though. I came in for a coping saw. I didn't see any replacement blades. Who knows, if I get a little anxious or a little crazy, I might end up breaking the little blade on it. So I got me this mini hacksaw too. It should be nice for making like fine adjustments, maybe. I don't know. There's no reason. I don't have any justification. There's no justification. I knew what I was doing. I fell victim to the trap again. But you know what? Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is the only place that can f*** you, but it's not their fault. You did it to yourself. And you don't feel bad about it because, man, can you get some cool stuff in there? For cheap, too. For cheap. I love it. Let's get back to work.